Hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yet I know you've never seen nothing like this before.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and today I'm back again with another makeup tutorial for you guys. And as you guys know, November and December, it's basically wedding season here in Bangladesh, and we will have a lot of wedding to attend, and it's not always possible to go to parlors and get ready. So I will be showing you guys a Walima guest makeup tutorial, which is basically a wedding guest makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then let's move on with the video. So at first I'm starting off with my base makeup, and for primer I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Now to color correct this under eye dark circles and the spots in my face, I'm going to be using a color corrector, and for that I'm taking my Inglot Pro HD concealer, and that is in the shade Fawn. Time for foundation, and I'm going to be using my Nars Longwear Radiant Foundation, and this is in the shade Syracuse. For highlighting my face with a concealer right now, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Beige, and I am just going to be focusing it on in the middle portion, like underneath the eyes, the forehead, nose bridge, and my chin area only. Now just with some powder, I'm setting my face, and to set the face, I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Blondie. So before moving on to the eye makeup, I really need to do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are quite like poking from here and there right now because I've done them quite a few days ago, and I can see little baby hairs from right here, and they are also in here, and I really like my eye makeups to be very neat and clean. So I need to get rid of those, and for that my favorite product is the Veet Sensitive Touch Trimmer, and with the help of this one you can like do your eyebrows easily anywhere. You do not need to go to the parlor to do your eyebrows. You can just like trim it down and you'll be good to go. And if you're a regular viewer of mine, then I think you guys already know about this one. And if you guys want to see my detailed review on this product, then make sure to go down in the description box below. I will be linking the video, or also I will be linking it somewhere in the screen for you guys, so you guys can see the review of this product. And without any further ado, let's get done with these eyebrows and move on to the eye makeup. And if you guys want, then I will be also linking down the product link for you guys in the description box, so that you can find where you can buy it from. Just be a little gentle while you're cleaning your eyebrows with this one. Don't rush in. It's so soft and gentle. It does not even like give you any razor bumps or something like that. So see, it's very fast and very gentle. And now I will be back in a second to do my eye makeup. At first I'm taking the shade Date Night as my transition color. For my crease, now I'm going to be taking this Desire shade, and with the help of this, I am going to be deepening my crease. To deepen the outer V, now I'm taking the shade Black Book. And now, as usual, with the help of a concealer brush and a little bit of concealer, I'm going to be cleaning up my lid halfway through. Now for liner, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Ink eyeliner. To highlight in between the double wing, I'm going to be using this Inglot 94 gel eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Sigma Sinousity Lash Curler Mascara. I'm done with my eyes, and now I'm going to be bronzing up my face, and for that I'm going to be using my W7 bronzer. For blush, I'm going to be using my Ofra blush in the shade Punch. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty highlighter in the shade Bronze Sands. I actually really like how this look is coming up. I always like to do this kind of like glowy makeup looks. But I have noticed one thing, that we all do a very common mistake, and that is that we actually do this very glamorous, glammed up looks where we have like a very bright and beautiful face or like makeup going on, but we actually forget to take care of our hands and feet, and they look very dull, and it simply does not match at all. So I've actually discovered a product which can help us to remove the dullness from our skin, and that is the Veet. This is actually a hair removal cream, and guess what? It's all natural. It does contain all natural ingredients like turmeric, saffron, and it also does contain a very like pleasant smell of sandalwood, which I really loved. And The thing is that when you use it, it will give you visibly brighter skin and your hands or your feet will not look dull anymore. So you guys can actually purchase this one from your all nearby stores. Plus you can also buy it from the e-commerce site, so I will try to link them in the description box below for you guys. For lipstick today, I am taking the ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Limbo. I guess I'm going to be layering another liquid lipstick too, and this is in the shade Flame of the Game from the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. I'm just adding this one to add a little bit of warmth because I think it's looking very cool toned. So this is the final look after finishing the rest of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and this was helpful for you guys. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up. And all the product links will be given down in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And if you guys still haven't subscribed in my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next tutorial. Till then, you guys take care. Bye-bye!